Welcome back. Today we're in lesson 16. We're going to refresh our memories on multiplication and division of polynomials. So we remember to multiply with polynomials, we just use distribution, but then we add like terms and combine. Well, there's a method that we used last year called stacking that we're going to try to remember and refresh our memories on. Let's jump right into 16.1. and refresh our stacking skills. So we have 2x plus 2 times 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. All right, so now we're going to use distribution. We're going to take this first term and multiply it times the terms here and create an expression. Then we're going to use this term and multiply it times all the terms here and stack with it. And you'll see what I mean in just a moment. You're probably already starting to remember that. All right, 2x times 3x squared is going to give us 6x cubed. 2x times negative 5x is going to give us a negative 10, and it's going to be x squared. 2x times positive 2 is going to give us a positive 4x. Now that we've done the last term in this expression, we're going to go back and get the second term in the first expression and multiply all of these. 2 times 3x squared is going to give us 6x squared, and we're going to line it up under the same degree because these are the same, these are like terms. So we want to be able to combine them. So we're just going to stack them under one another so that we could find them better. We could write it out here on the end and then go through and look for like terms. This is just faster. So 2 times negative 5x is a negative 10x. And 2 times 2 is 4. Now we just combine our like terms. And this is our final answer. Easy peasy. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 16.2. I think we could fit it in right here pretty nicely. We have our trinomial in front this time, and that's okay. We could do it in whatever order. It doesn't matter. We just need to stack like terms on top of each other. That's all we have to remember to do. So now we're going to do 3x squared times x. It's going to give us 3x cubed. And then we're going to do negative 2x. Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't finish. 3x squared times negative 2 is negative 6x squared. Now we have negative 2x times x. That's going to give us a negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times negative 2 is going to give us a positive 4x. Negative 2 times x is a negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So now we just draw our line, combine like terms. And that's our final answer. And I hope that refreshes your memory on multiplying polynomials together. So let's clear the page and let's do division. So with division, we remember that we only use the first term of the polynomial that we're dividing by. And we also remember that we have to fulfill all the degrees, and we have to write the polynomial in degree order and fill in any missing degrees that we have. That's the thing we have to do with long division of polynomials. So for instance, we have this problem here. So we are going to write 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. So as you can see, here's our 3, 2, 1, 0, right? What times x will give us 5x cubed? 5x squared. So we write that above the x squared, right? Same term. 5x squared times x is 5x cubed. 5x squared times negative 4 is negative 20x squared. Now to subtract, like we do in long division, we flip the signs. These cancel, and we are left with 18x squared. Now x goes into 18x squared, 18x times. 18x times x gives us 18x squared. All right, we have to bring down this next number, and we multiply 18x times negative 4, and that gives us a negative 72x. Change the signs so we can subtract. These cancel. We are left with 77x. So x times something makes 77x. It's going to be 77. 77 times x is 77x. We're going to bring down our plus 2. I should have done that first. Positive 77 times a negative 4 gives us a negative 308. We change the signs to subtract. These cancel, and we are left with a positive 310. And that becomes our remainder over x minus 4. If you remember, that is how we divide with polynomials. So let's see. We have one more like this. Let's clear the page. And I'm going to write it out for us. We have negative 6 plus x cubed, and that is going to be divided by negative 2 plus x. Now remember, we have to rewrite this in long division, and we have to use all of our degrees. So we have x cubed plus, this could be 0x squared. It doesn't change anything because it's a 0, so it has no value when you multiply, but we have to have a placeholder. Then this is 0x, and then this is minus 6. And that is going to be divided by, in the proper order, x minus 2, because we have to put our degrees of x first. Now we can divide. X goes into x3. It's going to be x squared. X squared times x is x3. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. Change the signs. These cancel. This becomes 2x squared. Bring down our positive 0x. X goes into 2x squared, 2x times. X times 2x is going to be 2x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. We change the signs so we can subtract. Those cancel. We're left with 4x. Let's bring down our negative 6. X goes into 4x one time. It'll be times 4. So we have a plus 4. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. We change the signs so we could subtract. Those cancel, and we are left with a positive 2. So 2 over x minus 2. This is the answer. Alright, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to contact me. And that is all we have for lesson 16. I'll see you in lesson 17.